In February, a drone collided with a police helicopter, but there's a very awkward twist in regards to who was flying the drone. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and in February this year, the Canadian police were flying a mission just outside a rural area of British Columbia. The police were flying a 1998 Eurocopter AS350, and there were about 3 officers on board. Also in the skies were 2 drones, but these weren't normal drones. They were SkyRanger R60s, which weigh about 2.4 kilograms each, and they cost about $100,000. Now, I'm not sure if that's Canadian or American, but regardless, they're very expensive. At around 300 feet above ground level, one of the drones collided with the helicopter. The drone was completely destroyed, and shortly after, the helicopter experienced a vibration which prompted the pilot to make an emergency landing on the road below. They got back down onto the ground safely, and all 3 passengers were uninjured, but on inspection of the helicopter, there was significant damage to the main rotors, the tail boom, and also aesthetic damage to part of the helicopter. Now, in any normal circumstance, this story would have hit the international news, with the headline, "Irresponsible drone operator collides with police helicopter whilst on critical mission." This incident happened in February this year, and yet it's only just appeared on the official accident register CADORS now, this month in June. Why the latency? Why the cover-up? Well, therein lies the twist. The operators of the 2 drones in the sky with that police helicopter were police on the same mission as the helicopter, flying together. It's for that reason on its own that this story has not hit the press and media until now, and quite frankly, it seems like an absolute cover-up for it to have only just hit the accident register months and months later. We are always preaching about drone operators flying within line of sight, and this validates the reason why. Because when you're flying up there with your drone, if you hear a helicopter or if you see a helicopter, you can move out of the way immediately. You can descend, or you can at least take evasive action. But I would suggest that this operator was not flying within LOS, and hence he didn't see the helicopter, which was on the same joint mission as him, and he crashed into it. The R60 is quite an old drone now, built in 2011 till 2013 when it was discontinued as a model, but they cost about $100,000 and they don't have obstacle avoidance, clearly in this instance. Imagine if they had air sense. They would have seen the manned aircraft on a collision path and been able to take action to avoid it. That's why air sense is a great feature and why I wish I had it on my Mavic Air 2, but sadly European models or non-American, non-Canadian models don't have it yet. We hope that the drone operator involved gets some much needed training, and we hope that future instances like this are not covered up in this way. Comment below with your thoughts on this story, give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you're a banana. Also, of course, click that subscribe button if you enjoy content and news like this. Thank you very much for watching.